Utilizing keyboard shortcuts is a great way to speed up your workflow. For example, if I want to copy and paste this, I can simply press Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and I can copy paste out content right here. Similarly, if I were to right click, you can see that there are shortcut keys for many of the options that you have. Like there's cut is Ctrl X, paste is Ctrl V, paste in place is Ctrl plus Shift V, and so forth. Lock is L, and so forth. So if I want to lock it, I'm going to press L and it simply locks into place right here. But if I want to know more of the shortcut keys, then I can actually go around and click on help, and here you can see that shortcut keys, that is keyboard shortcut, is an option, and there are many keyboard shortcuts listed out right here. For example, you can see that it says activate a rounded rectangle is U right here. So if I were to go around and press U, then you get rounded rectangle over here, just like this, without having to go around onto the shapes and access it. Similarly, if I were to go to help and keyboard shortcuts right here, then you can see that there's activate pencil tool is simply P. So in order to start writing, simply press P on your keyboard right here, and then you can start writing right here. And that is how you can speed up your workflow while you're working in Vectr. So that is how you can utilize out shortcut keys while you're working to speed up your workflow. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.